Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Madison. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I contour and highlight and the easiest way I do it. If you guys want to see how I got this look and how to contour and highlight, make sure to keep on watching. So starting off, I'm going to be taking my concealer and I'm going to be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and this is in the shade Vanilla and it looks like this. I'm gonna take it and I like to do like triangular shapes under my eye, so it looks like this, and then I'm gonna do the same thing to this side, so it looks like that. So I like to go on the bottom of my chin a little, and then a little on my forehead and down the bridge of my nose, just a little. So next I'm going to be using the KKW contouring stick, and I just bought this. It's in the color medium, and I'm going to just, so what you want to do is you want to suck in your face like a fish. So where you see where that line is from your mouth, that's where you're going to want to put your contour. So I just like to do a little bit on top, so like that, and then I like to do a little on my forehead, and then I like to do some here, and then I like to take a little on my nose here, and then there. So to blend in my highlight, I like to take a, it's like a compacted like eyeshadow brush kinda, and it looks like this. And I like to just press it into my skin. Okay, so once you feel like everything is blended, you're gonna do your contour. Okay, so once you feel like everything is blended out, you're gonna be blending in your contour now. So I like to take the MAC 130 brush, and this brush is for like liquid contour. So it's like a stipply brush, and it really blends it out well, I think. So you're just gonna start off in circular motions and just work your way up. Don't drag it down, because then it's gonna look messy and not like a contour, you know? So I like to smile a little and like bring it onto my cheeks. And just do circular motions. You don't wanna drag it because it's not going to blend good. So same thing for the other side. Forehead, you want to do the same thing, just circular motions and drag it into your hairline, so there's not like a big white gap. For the nose contour, I go in with the concealer brush that I used, and I just like to press it in, because I don't drag it out, like, you know, because it'll smudge away and you won't be able to tell. So I like to push it in to my nose. And then bring it down a little bit. Okay, so everything is blended. So now for the powder, I like to use the butter bronzer, and and you can get this at any drugstore. It's pretty expensive. This is like $15, but I think it works great. So I'm gonna be using my Morphe. Oh my gosh, it's all rubbed off. I think it says R7. It looks like this. And I'm just going to bronze up my face. Just very lightly. And then on the forehead. So now I like to go in with blush, and I'm gonna be using the It Cosmetics brush. I don't think there's a number on it, but it looks like this. It's like an angled blush brush. And then I'm gonna be taking the Milani blush. And this is the color, I don't even know what color this is. But yeah, it's a Milani blush. I don't know, it doesn't say. And then I like to go where I put my bronzer. So, and I like to push it in. I don't drag it because it's gonna just drag everything and I don't think it looks very good. So just push it in to where you bronzed. And then I like to do my cheekbones. So I just smile. And I like to be blushy. So I put a little bit on my nose too, and a little bit on my forehead. I like blush. So next for highlight, I'm gonna be using the Carli Bybel palette. And I'm gonna be using, well, I used a lot of the shades, but I'm gonna be using this pinker one right here. And I'm using a Morphe brush. This one came in like a kit, so I don't even know what the number is, but it looks like this. And then I'm gonna be taking it and putting it on the high point of my cheek. I don't wear a lot of highlight. I just like a little bit, some on my cheeks. And I put a little bit on my nose. And a little down here. And here. So lastly, I just set my under eyes. I don't really like a lot of powder under my under eyes because they get really dry, I feel like, and it just cracks and I don't think it looks good. So I'm going to be taking the It Cosmetics brush, and it looks like this. And I use RCMA powder, but I have it in this little container here, so it comes in like a bottle, so I can't really get it out. And then I'm just going to take a little bit and just really tap it off. And then I like to look up and just put a little bit under my eyes. Tap, pat it under. And then a little bit on my nose where my highlight is. And then up here. And then that is it. So lastly, I'm gonna take my setting spray, and I use the UrbanDecay All Nighter setting spray, and I'm just gonna spray my face. And then I'm just gonna finish my makeup and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some tips on how to contour and highlight. But I hope this video helped, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.